Welcome back to our ICD 10 PCS 2025 series. In this video, we're going to explore Section 5, Extracorporeal or Systemic Assistance and Performance. This section includes procedures where machines help or perform a body function, like mechanical ventilation, dialysis, or heart-lung bypass. Let's make it simple and easy to understand.
1. What is Section 5? In Section 5, we code procedures where a machine is used outside the body, extracorporeal, to help or take over a body function. These are often life-saving treatments done in ICUs, operating rooms, or during major surgeries. Some common examples are dialysis machines helping kidney function, ventilators helping patients breathe, heart-lung machines used in cardiac surgery, ECMO, extracorporeal membrane oxygenation, for severe respiratory failure. The body isn't being cut or operated on. It's being supported by a machine.
2. Code structure explained. Let's break down a PCS code from Section 5 using this example. Code 5A1955Z. This code means assistance with ventilation using a mechanical ventilator for less than 24 hours. Let's explain each character. First character, 5, section. This is extracorporeal or systemic assistance and performance. Second character, A, body system. This tells us the procedure is done on a physiological system, how the body functions. Third character, 1, root operation. This is assistance, meaning a machine is helping the body do its job, but not fully taking over. Fourth character, 9, body function. This is the respiratory system, so it's helping the patient breathe. Fifth character, 5, duration. The machine was used for less than 24 hours. Sixth character, 5, equipment. A mechanical ventilator was used. Seventh character, Z, qualifier, no extra details, so the code ends with Z. This code tells us that a mechanical ventilator helped the patient breathe for less than 24 hours.
3. Root operations. There are 2 root operations in this section. Here's what they mean. Assistance. The machine helps the body do its job. Example, mechanical ventilator assisting the lungs. Example, intra-aortic balloon pump helping the heart pump blood. Performance. The machine completely takes over a body function. Example, ECMO machine doing all the work of the lungs. Example, dialysis machine performing kidney function. Think of it this way. Assistance equals support. Performance equals complete takeover.
4. Real-life coding examples. Here are some real-life examples of how you would use Section 5.
Example 1. Mechanical ventilation less than 24 hours. Code 5A1955Z. Machine helped with breathing for less than 24 hours. Example 2. Dialysis for acute kidney failure. Code 5A1D00Z. Dialysis machine took over kidney function temporarily. Example 3. Mechanical ventilation greater than 96 hours. Code 5A1955Z. Right pointing arrow duration code changes to 7. Used when patient is on a ventilator for more than 4 days. Example 4. ECMO for cardiac and respiratory support. Code 5A15223. ECMO fully took over heart and lung functions during surgery or critical care.
5. Tips for coding assistance/performance. Here are some quick tips to help you code Section 5 correctly. Check if the machine is assisting or performing the function. Confirm the body function involved breathing, blood filtering, heart function. Pay attention to the duration, less than 24 hours, 24 to 96 hours, more than 96 hours. Know the equipment type used ventilator, ECMO, dialysis. Documented duration and device are essential for selecting the right code. Important. These codes describe what the machine is doing, not what caused the problem.
And that wraps up Section 5, Extracorporeal, or Systemic Assistance and Performance in ICD 10, PCS 2025. These codes are crucial for critical care and intensive support procedures, especially for patients needing help with breathing or organ function. Coming up next, Section 6, Extracorporeal or Systemic Therapies, where we'll cover procedures like radiation, phototherapy, and therapeutic apheresis.